Ha ka alpun riu tering urisau arja apusan hadin balayo jingtep lingba ke intelligence badon kibrio na Bangladesh kibawan na Srinagar bandit thai sha Bangladesh da ka kali Torres ka special cell bat ke SOT kila Pynlong ya ke jing apahara ISBT junction Mawlai Mawiong andala poi hakapor prasau puar baji minmin kawai ka kali Torres kabadon yu number ML North Sun S iwei lai san pra kabadon hapo Ngut kinong shong kali lapin sange bat kem no eki hawa Pynlong ya ke Jingtohkit hakabas dang kidei kinong shong kali kimla ban pin i kinu ki kot kisla bat kila pla ba kidei kinong Bangladesh ya baro Ngut la kem bala register da ka ki sa Maulai police station ban Pynlong Jingtohkit shushu halor kani ke jingjia.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.